AgEagle Aerial Systems has sold 20 Red Edge P cameras to Wingtra, a major player in vertical takeoff and landing drones. The move will see AgEagle's advanced camera technology combined with Wingtra's drone platforms to provide aerial mapping and surveying solutions for precision agriculture, environmental monitoring, water management, and geospatial applications. The AgEagle Red Edge P is a high-resolution, multispectral camera designed for use on drones that serves various industries and applications with advanced optics and industrial image sensors. Wingtra drones incorporate these cameras to enhance their usage across sectors like agriculture, construction, forestry, and environmental management. AgEagle also sold 2 additional EB Vision drones to the British Antarctic Survey, BAS, a leading organization in polar science and operations research. The BAS is part of the Natural Environment Research Council, which supports UK research activities in polar regions. Drones will aid in conservation, research, and wildlife preservation efforts in Antarctica's harsh environment. The British Antarctic Survey uses 5 EB drones from AgEagle to gather high-resolution imagery for tracking wildlife and monitoring population numbers. The drones also help monitor changes on glaciers over time and support transportation needs despite varying weather conditions and ice states. Coret Group supplies these drones, serving as the official distributor for AgEagle in the UK and Ireland. In Eastern Europe, AgEagle partnered with F9 Distribution Baltic to host Drone Days, an event showcasing their unmanned aerial systems, UAVS capabilities to potential customers in Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. Over 150 decision-makers from the region's defense, military, and public safety sectors attended the event, which featured product presentations and live flight demonstrations of the EB Vision and EB TAC drones. The event aimed to address the region's defense and public safety needs through the cutting-edge capabilities of AgEagle's UAS products. The EB Vision drone conducted successful flight operations in GNSS-denied environments, demonstrating its rapid descent and ascent capabilities. Flights were conducted at 450 meters altitude and beyond visual line of sight, up to 2.4 kilometers. Showing strong wind performance as winds reached 43 kilometers per hour during demo flights. The drone's aerodynamic fixed-wing design allowed for nearly vertical takeoff and stable operation in headwind conditions. These demonstrations left a positive impression on military and public safety officials regarding the precision and reliability of the EB Vision and EB TAC drones. Earlier, AgEagle launched an EB Vision software update that allows autonomous position updates with map referencing for precise navigation in areas where GPS signals are unavailable or unreliable. The feature, which addresses a key challenge faced by drone operators in complex mission environments, is particularly beneficial to defense personnel, public safety agencies, and industrial teams operating in GNSS-denied areas, due to factors such as dense urban centers or contested zones with active signal interference. AgEagle CEO Bill Irby said the company's technical team would continue to work on refinements and ongoing advancements for the software. The advantages of autonomous position control without GNSS, Global Navigation Satellite System, includes operational continuity even in denied or degraded environments, enhanced mission flexibility for real-time adjustments, and increased situational resilience for improved reliability in drone-based ISR operations under unpredictable or hostile conditions. The latest software update for the drone adds new features like optical flow stabilization for target lock, which keeps the camera focused on a target during long zoom-ins or drone movements. The update also offers improved ground detection to prevent false landings, enhanced pitot tube handling at takeoff for more reliable launches under challenging conditions, and real-time estimates of remaining flight time and return-to-home duration based on wind and power consumption data, as well as an optimized cruise speed function that adjusts based on wind intensity for improved endurance. In addition to a high-precision landing system calibrated by LiDAR to ensure consistent and accurate touchdowns regardless of altitude changes during flight, along with a gimbal auto-recovery mechanism that attempts recovery mid-flight if blocked by obstructions, reducing risk of damage during landing, which is complemented by smart motor speed reduction to prevent overheating, allowing for temporarily reduced speed when motors approach critical thresholds, preserving the drone in extreme conditions. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.